Good morning vlog. It's been a long time. I just walked with Chloe and got our morning coffee. I'm already so far into this coffee and it's crazy because I swear I just got it. Something really exciting came. This is a clear, old school style G-Shock iWatch band. Look at how fun this is. I love this so much. I don't know about you guys, how old you are or when you were born, but when I was a kid in the 90s, G-Shock watch bands were everything. The second I saw this, I was like, I have to get it. I went to the Apple store to get my computer worked on like 2 weeks ago, and the genius at the Genius Bar there had one of these, and he was like, oh my god, it's like 10 bucks on Amazon. So I had to get it, and this is just so fun. It's just so fun. Because it's so cheap, I'm curious if the clear is gonna last or if it's gonna kind of like yellow, you know how some plastics do that. Also, I know there's things you can do to keep it from changing color. I'm not entirely sure what it is, but if you guys know, leave it in the comments below because I may or may not take that into consideration. As you guys know, I'm going to Italy next week. One of my best friends, Haley, you guys have definitely seen her on this channel before. I've done videos with her in the past. She's getting married in Florence. I went to her surprise engagement last January, and I went to her bachelorette party last November. Next week is the big event. I'm gonna be in Florence and we are celebrating her and her husband finally getting married. I went crazy on Revolve and got everything I thought I could possibly use in Italy. I just thought I'd go through everything with you since, you know, this is fun. When I think Italy, I think dresses, and I'm not planning on wearing anything else but dresses. Look at this cute blue dress. It has this really beautiful button detail, and this is by the brand Camila Coelho. She always comes out with the most beautiful things. I know there's a garden party while we're out there, so maybe that would be great for this. I have actually never been to Italy before, so for this dress specifically, I was picturing exploring the city, because I do plan on exploring the city like one of the days or one of the down days that I'm out there, because I've never been. We are flying into Milan and obviously staying in Florence for the majority of the time, but this is just a really cute, short, black dress. It's simple, easy to walk around in. It's kind of like a cottony material, and this is by the brand Tula Rose. I got the most beautiful set by NBD. This is the top. It has kind of like the triangle front to it, bustier style tank top, and then this is the skirt. It's gonna look so great in Italy. Again, I don't know what day I'm gonna wear this. I definitely got too many things, but it's better to be over-prepared than under-prepared. I wanted a new swimsuit for Italy. We are having a pool day the day after the wedding. So this is from House of Harlow. These are kind of more high-waisted bottoms, which is typically my favorite because my stomach is my biggest insecurity. And it also comes with this super, super cute bikini top, and this is just kind of like a bandeau style top. It feels very Meredith Blake from Parent Trap. Very excited to be wearing this by the pool, sipping a limoncello with all my friends. It's gonna be great. I also ordered this stunning dress. It's kind of like watercolor. I love the orange, I love the blue. It's so, so, so beautiful. This is from House of Harlow also. I don't do a lot of color usually, so this is fun for me. This is actually really exciting. I got the bride something. She has no idea. I'm gonna surprise her with it, but I got her this Lovers and Friends white leather jacket. I don't know if you can see it, but it says bride on the back. It's cropped. She is the type of person that would love something like this, but I think, you know, weddings can be so stressful and they're so expensive, and planning all of this has been a lot, and buying stuff like this for yourself is sometimes like, you don't want to spend money on little things like this because you're planning so many bigger things. So I just thought I would kind of splurge and get this for her. I think she's really gonna like it. I also got another Camila Coelho dress. This is a very simple one. I'm really bad at knowing prints, but I'm pretty sure this is zebra print. Again, this is a really great, very simple sundress that I could walk around the city in if I want to. That was my thinking behind this. And then again, another fun color. And then I have one last dress. This again is Camila Coelho. I guess I have a thing for her. I got this shorter dress. I don't entirely know if I'm gonna be packing this for Italy or if this is going to be like for some other fun event. In my head, I think I was thinking that this is something fun to kind of spice up all of the other fits that I've brought. Now that I'm looking at the whole order and knowing pieces that I already have, I don't know if I'll actually be bringing this one, but I do love this one. I love the design and I love the color. Moving on to shoes. So I realized that all of my old like travel sandals and flats that I have are really worn down. I haven't really traveled since pre-COVID until the top of this year, and I realized that all my good shoes are kind of dirty. So I got a few pairs of flats, and the first pair is actually all three of them are from the brand Ray. These first ones are just flat sandals, easy to walk in, comfortable. I can wear them by the pool. I can walk around the city in them. These kind of things, you don't realize how bad you need them until you don't have a pair and you're traveling. That's when you're like, dang, I really wish I had a comfy pair of flats. Now the next pair I got is the exact same concept with the exact same brand, but I got white. And then last but not least, I got a pair of slip-on chunky heels, and they are this rope style, which I think is very fun. Everything I've seen from Italy vlogs and Italy content that I've seen online, it's a lot of dirt roads, a lot of cobblestone paths. Thin heels are gonna be super uncomfy, so I think I'm gonna be bringing these, my flats, and then I have another pair of heels that have a thick heel from Dolce Vita that I wear regularly that are very comfortable as well. I'm gonna be kind of focusing on those so that I don't trip and fall. I want to heal and I want to look pretty in the dresses, but I need to be realistic and I need to be comfortable. So very excited for these as well. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is my Revolve haul. Okay, it's later, I'm ready, and I have had a Ulta gift card since like late last year. I'm gonna go use it. Back with the sister. We are stopping by Madewell for her and Ulta for me. I would do like shorts or a couple tanks.
Or I have been saying how I need like
You need like t-shirts. I'm stuck between a concealer or going for like something like a full foundation. Okay, we are going with the It Cosmetics CC cream and a new beauty blender, of course, a mini dry shampoo, and a heat protectant. Hello, today is Thursday and I leave for Italy on Saturday. Today was a little crazy, it was kind of hectic, and there's still so much I need to do today, and I'm hitting a wall. We're gonna go walk to coffee and come back and figure this out. Can I do a cold brew with oat milk? Need a second, man. I feel like I've just been going this whole week, and I finally am free this afternoon. I'm at that point where I'm 2 days away and all the last minute things are getting done. I went and got my nails done. I did like a short French this time. I've been doing everything. Ran errands, picked up all the things I need to pick up, got myself a Z-Pack just to be safe. I got a bikini wax. I did laundry. I have been sorting through all of my emails, and I submitted a video that was due today. And now I'm finally home and I have so much to do. I don't want to wait and start packing till last minute And since I don't have any plans tonight, I was thinking I'd at least organize everything, lay everything out that I want to bring, and just kind of get pre-packed, because tomorrow we have to be packed. Okay, so I said this already, I think, but I want to be wearing nothing but dresses in Italy. There's so many options. Now for swim, we have a couple options here. I wanted to switch it up and have some new bikinis for Italy because that's just fun. Alicia got this bathing suit and I'm honestly obsessed. She didn't want it and I was like, I will 1000% take it. This is by the brand Slate Swim. Now this one just screams Italy. We have a blue floral design with lemons everywhere, and it has these little like frilly parts on the side, and then it's a little more like a balconette bra, I think is how you call it. Oh, and this brand is Black Bow, by the way. I also wanted to bring a one piece. Some days you're just like, hell yeah, I'm gonna rock the bikini, and other days you're just like, not today, Satan, not today. So I wanted to bring a solid one piece option. When I think Italy and running around town, I think button up. So I got this men's button up from Amazon. It also doubles as a swim cover up. This is exactly the vibe. I want it to cover my butt when I'm wearing a bikini, but it's light enough to where I could like wear it over a dress or something. Very cute, very thin too, which is good. Okay, I really wasn't in the mood to do this, but then I had 5 bikinis in my hands and I was like, this is ridiculous. Let's narrow it down. There's only one swimming day, so 2 max. This is the Slate Swim Bikini. It's a little smaller than I'm normally comfortable with. I'm trying to figure out how I feel about it. I do love the color. I do love the color. Let's try the next one. It's not stereotypically my vibe in bikini, but it is very fun. I love this bikini. I feel like it's the perfect bottom. Sometimes I need a little more coverage. I feel like it's perfect. It's not too high-waisted to where I'm gonna get like a weird tan line, but it shows enough. I love the top. We're going with this one. Settled. Okay, it is a little bit later. We're moving on from packing and focusing on skin prep, hair prep, brow prep. I used to get my brows done regularly. It's so freaking expensive and my brows really are not that unruly. So I figured I'm just gonna do it myself. I already went ahead and plucked my brows. So this is just in an effort to get rid of any peach fuzz that I might have. No baby hair left. That's what we're looking for. Set that on there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do underneath the brow here. 1, 2, 3. Same thing on the other eye. Last one right here. 3, 2, 1. Okay, next thing on the to-do list is brow tinting, and I showed this on Instagram and TikTok, I believe. So if you don't follow me there, 1000% follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I did the whole breakdown of this on there. But I like to use Refectosil. I got this from Amazon. You do want to be careful not to get this like on your skin. Without a brow tint, I feel like I just look washed out. So making this a part of my like regular beauty routine has made such a difference. And then I personally like to go ahead and wet a Q-tip with some water and then just outline my brows to make sure that I have a nice clean line of color. Then you just wet a rag or a cotton swab or whatever you want and just wipe it off. The thing I love the most about this brow tint is it literally takes 10 minutes. 10 minutes. It's not hard at all. This is the next step in the process here. I have gotten so into this. This has changed everything for me when it comes to skincare and skin smoothness, and honestly just my makeup laying smoothly on my face. Because I'm new to this, I recently did a whole bunch of like research on it, and it even helps like your skincare absorb into your skin more because there's no hair there to absorb it, which is just wild. I would have never thought that. So I have been trying to do this more regularly, not only for the skincare, not only because it makes my makeup lay very nicely on my skin, but also because it's an amazing way to exfoliate your skin. Also, It Cosmetics Miracle Water 3-in-1 tonic, skin brightening, radiance booster, anti-aging treatment, plus skin softening micellar cleanser. I love this stuff. I've been meaning to shout it out for a while because it's honestly just incredible. I still need to pack up my bathroom bag and makeup bag for Italy. And I also need to like pick out some day fits, some like casual pants and shorts and stuff like that. Something that's not dresses, just to be, you know, on the safe side. Okay, I'm gonna eat and watch TV, maybe do a little bit more packing. I do have some computer work to do too, so I'm gonna try to get all of that done tonight. Probably a little bit tomorrow, let's be realistic. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. It is the next day. I just self-tanned, so that's why I look ridiculous right now. I have always wanted to try these. These are those bags that you can zip it closed, you roll it and press it, and it gets rid of the air in the bag. Let's see how this works. Oh, that worked so well. Literally vacuum sealed it. That's crazy. Oh my God, wow. Incredible. The next thing on my list of things to do today is clean my makeup brushes. I haven't cleaned these things in a long time, and I should probably do all of my brushes, but I don't have time today to get into all the brushes. So I'm just doing my like everyday brushes. I'm like embarrassed to say it, but I don't even remember the last time I did this. I mean, the before and after here is unreal. I should have done a proper before and after, but look at how clean this is. I'm so excited to use these. We're finally packed. It took all day. Very happy with the bag purchase. It saved so much room with all the dresses. Everything's very organized in like their own little bags. Over here, we have all the dresses. T-shirts over here, as well as a blazer, swimsuit, a couple bags, and a cover up. This is all my underwear. We have a pair of flats, a pair of chunky sandals, one pair of heels here, as well as a black pair. I have my charger, which you know what? Let me show you guys this. So it has all the little outlets for different countries. It's good with hair tools minus hair dryers. We don't do hair dryers, but flat irons, curling irons, good to go here. So I'm very excited to bring, this is my first time having one of these, and I'm gonna let my boyfriend use the other converter that I have. Over here we have a couple purses for like dinners and the wedding. Over here we have my makeup bag and bathroom bag. She's full. I am very excited for this Italy trip. I'm very excited to see all my friends. I'm gonna have a little spa day to kind of like get myself ready to fall asleep and hopefully sleep really good so that I have a good day tomorrow. Gonna be a long travel day. I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog, which will be my Italy vlog, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I've been doing a ton of vertical vlogs and they've been my absolute favorite. I'm gonna do that for Italy as well. And yeah, that's all. Love you all, bye.